Here's an easy hack to talk to new people. People who've met me might think that I'm a natural extrovert. They see me as someone who can easily chat with anyone, confident and comfortable around strangers. But the truth of the matter is, I find it extremely awkward to be around new people. Making small talk, in fact, terrifies me, often leading me to speak too fast, which only confuses the other person and also increases my nervousness as I have to repeat myself. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not like this with everyone. When the conversation is about a shared interest or something that I'm knowledgeable about, I'm completely in my element, I'm completely at ease. However, such instances are extremely rare. So, here's a simple yet effective trick that I've discovered. That's talking about sports. It's an easy and universally engaging topic that quickly breaks the ice. That's part of the reason why I always wear an Arsenal jersey when I'm traveling. This strategy has never failed me. Each trip results in someone striking up a conversation first, making it easier for me to follow through. From interesting discussions to even free drinks, new friendships, and even landing a client once, the outcomes have been very surprising and rewarding. I've even tested this approach with a stern looking US immigration officer. This doesn't mean that you go out and buy a random jersey. You need to really understand the sport and the team that you're supporting. Here are a few tips. It helps to follow a globally popular sport like soccer or Formula One. But if you're in North America, being aware of basketball and American football is beneficial. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried something like this and if there's a global team that you support and or follow.